Today, we're diving into the Scosche MAGRKI MagicMount phone replacement plate kit, a versatile solution for your magnetic car phone mount needs. The kit includes a large magic plate, medium plate, small magic plate, protective film, and a user manual. The metal plates boast extra strength and a heat-resistant automotive-grade formula, ensuring a durable and long-lasting hold. They're designed to be mobile device safe, compatible with all iPhones, Androids, and tablets. The universal compatibility extends to any magnetic car cell phone holder, supporting devices of various sizes. The inclusion of protective films adds an extra layer of convenience. Acting like double-sided sticky pads, these films make it easy to mount and remove the magnetic plate without causing damage to your phone. Simply apply the film to the back of your phone before adding the metal plate for a secure and worry-free experience. The Scosche MAGRKI kit not only offers a strong hold but also the flexibility to cater to different device sizes. Whether you have a large tablet or a smaller smartphone, this kit has you covered. The accessories provided, coupled with the brand's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty, instill confidence in your purchase. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable and versatile magnetic phone mount solution, the Scosche MAGRKI MagicMount phone replacement plate kit is a solid choice. Its extra strength, universal compatibility, and protective features make it a valuable addition to any car setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.